how to create training videos in HeyGen. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss how we can create training videos in HeyGen. So let's get started. Now to create engaging training videos, first of all launch HeyGen. You could be using on the website or on the app, it does not really matter. Now once you're over here, what you essentially want to do is from the bottom you can go to this section called apps, and here you can see photo to video or prompt to video. So the first thing you can do is you can basically select prompt to video to turn any idea into a compelling video. So you have to provide raw inputs like the upload slides, PDF documents, screen recordings, or a short written script directly into the platform. Then you can let the AI analyze the file structure and extract the key training points to build an initial lesson sequence, and also convert existing slide decks or SOP web pages using the PowerPoint to video workflow. So over here you can select the voice, style, avatar. If you click the plus icon, you can choose to upload media and documents from your device as well to just give the AI more inputs on creating your first training video. And this way you can create training videos in HeyGen. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.